Alrighty, I have an exciting Minebuster update. So after like 2 to 3 weeks, I can't even remember how long it's been, of the big team not working on, I almost said Alpenfury, Minebuster, they appear to be all back, and there's been a lot more progress just today alone. So as you can see here, they've gotten the running rails down on Minebuster. The pull up into the turnaround still needs to get done, but the drop is all that's left that needs to get done for Minebuster as well. So that's really exciting. Just some wooden ledgers left to install on Minebuster, but it is very easy work essentially that's left on Minebuster to do. And it's, if I had to make a guess, I would give this ride maybe the same opening timeline as Alpenfury, if not maybe a week earlier. But maybe we'll be really lucky. I do know that Wonderland, especially for a coaster like this, can get it done pretty quickly. So, once the ride's done, if all they have to do is commission and train, that could get done, honestly, in just like a couple of days if they really wanted to. But when it comes to commissioning a ride, you need about 500 cycles per train on the ride. So definitely a feat in its own, but something they can do really rapidly if they want to. So we'll keep an eye on Minebuster for you guys, just to keep you guys as updated as we possibly can on when it's nearing the end of its completion in terms of vertical construction. I said vertical. Wow, I'm so used to covering Alpenfury. But yeah, as you can tell, there is still some wooden ledgers left to install on Minebuster, and some running rail left to install as well. So we'll keep you guys posted. Nothing else really to say on the topic other than it's nice to see the team back working on it. I know that there was like a little carpenter or like a union strike that was looming. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but they were back today, and you could tell that there was progress again. So that's great, because I was starting to lose hope that this was going to open in 2025 if we didn't have a full team working on it again, and it was just 2 Wonderland workers. Even though they're great carpenters working on it, it would have taken forever. So definitely exciting news that I wanted to share for you guys. Hopefully we're nearing, about 2 weeks out of completion, maybe a week. If we're lucky, of completion on Minebuster, and then commissioning will start. And I know Wonderland is going to rush that commissioning, because they're really good at doing that when they really want to get something open. Like Siren's Curse is still taking its time. It's testing phase. It's been a while. Like, it's been about 2 weeks already, right? Or a week? Maybe I'm wrong. But Alpenfury, I think's commissioning and testing phase is going to be shorter than what we're used to seeing. They'll do the amount of ride cycles, but you'll see them really work through the day and work through the night in getting those cycles. But yeah, anyways, that's all I have to say on Minebuster. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one, guys. Bye.